Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State in the house. Hallelujah. Thank you. Thank you.
I did a condolence letter, and in my condolence letter, I did express myself, the man we're honoring this night, the way I understand him, and the way I see him. Yesterday was the night of tribute. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it. And I did also get a clip of the wonderful comments, great tribute that was given, and also the one that my Oga also gave. I feel I have nothing to say or to add. My expression of this great man is already in my tribute or my condolence that is already in the program. But I will say this evening that there are things we have control over. Death is the ultimate end of everything. We have nothing to do. We cannot add or subtract. When it comes, it has come. He lived a great life. He was a fighter that his time has come and gone. We remember him for the great work he did. The family just take heart. Our gathering here is not enough to console you. It is only God that will console you and fill that vacuum. Let me leave it at that. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you, and may God bless you all.